Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 widgets not opening or showing blank. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your widgets, it's not opening or it's showing blank, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings. In left section you can see here personalization. Click on this, scroll down a little bit, you can see here taskbar, click on taskbar. In this you can see here widgets. If it is turned off, you just need to turn on this. If it is turned on, once you need to turn off and turn it on again. After doing this, just close this window, just click on Start menu, then type here local group policy editor. Just click on edit group policy. Just expand this one. First you can see here under computer configuration you will find administrative templates. Double click and expand. After that you need to find Windows component. You can see here Windows component, double click and expand. After that you need to find widgets. Just you need to scroll down. You can see here widgets. Just single click on that, come to the right section, you can see here allow widgets, double click on that. Now to make sure it is selected as configured. After that just click OK and close this window. After doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 widgets not opening or showing blank problem. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.